Hi friends, Ambrosia Carey here with the AIIR Pro team. I'm going to be showing you a split pony today with a little bit of a twist, so we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to start by cocktailing my two favorite products, which is the styling paste. It's important to warm this up in your hand first, so we're going to start out with a pea-size amount first. Go ahead and warm that up, and then I'm gonna do 1 pump of the jade oil. Now I'm gonna go ahead and move everything through Samantha's hair before I actually get in with my brush. Now that I've evenly dispersed the jade oil and styling cream, I am going to use my detangling brush. I'm gonna gather everything into a slick pony. A little hot tip, when you're bringing that pony in and you wanna get it nice and tight and get that snatch pony, tip the head up a little bit. When you get that chin up, then you can get that nice and tight toward the back of the nape. Now I'm gonna take a little elastic right at the base of that nape and wrap it around to get it nice and secure. The next step, we're gonna split our pony in half into 2 equal parts. Just to keep myself organized, I'm gonna flip one side of the pony out of the way. I'm gonna go back in with my brush. And I added a little bit more of that styling paste just through the mids so I can capture all that hair together. I'm gonna take another elastic and secure this right pony out of the way. And I'm gonna grab my left pony and do the exact same thing, mimicking on the other side. I'm gonna repeat the exact same steps, so I'm gonna move the left pony out of the way. I'm gonna leave about 4 finger widths below that pony to secure a second one. A little pro tip, keep the pony as close to the body as possible so it doesn't bubble out. And we're gonna repeat that same step on the left side. Our last and final step, we're gonna secure both ponies together at the base, again, leaving about 4 finger widths between your last pony to secure that last piece together. Okay, we're gonna add a little bit of fun to the hair. So I actually grabbed one of these metallic elastics that you can get from the craft store, and we're gonna secure it around the pony a couple of times. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap it around about 3 times. And then just knot it at the very base. If you start your wrap at the front and then tie your pony around the back of it, that'll be an easier way to not show your knots. No pun intended. So I just finished the elastics. I'm just gonna take a second to remove the very tails with my scissors. Be very careful that you don't actually cut the hair of the model that you're doing it on. Our last step, we're gonna do the flexible hold air spray. When you spritz everything on, you can actually use the back side of the can. That's what it was intended for. So that's like a nice little added feature. I'm gonna hold it at a distance, smooth everything down, and spend a moment just going through and perfecting all those little flyaway pieces. This is such a fun style though. Try it out, accessorize, have fun, and make sure you tag us so we can see your looks. Thanks for hanging out.